Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple example on how to use the Node.js module system. So let's say we want to export a function from this file, say hello.js, and call it in this file app.js. So let's do it. Let's create a simple function. We will call it say hello, and this function gonna get one argument and name, and this function just gonna console.log hello, and let's concatenate the name variable. Very simple function. So how can we export this function and call it from this file? Let's say, so we're gonna write here module.exports equal to our say hello function. And that's it. Now we can use it in this file. So we can declare a variable, let's say const hello equal to require, and let's require the file. It's in the same directory, so we're gonna do a // say hello. And now remember that we're just exporting the say hello function. So now hello, it's basically a function. We can open a parenthesis and pass here some name as a string, and that's it. Now if we save the file and we say node app.js and press enter, we can see that hello John was printed to our console. Okay, so another way to do it and call this function immediately is this. We can just say require, and let's require the say hello.js, and we can open right here another parenthesis and call our function immediately. If we now run node app.js again, we're gonna get the same result, hello John, printed to the console. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.